So, hello, ako si Denden Obra ng Criminology din. So, pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung paano maging isang Certified Security Professional. Katulad ng inyong lingkod. Okay, para maging isang Certified Security Professional ka, is, syempre, kailangan mag-aaral. Hindi po kinakailangan ng criminology graduate ka. O kaya hindi naman kinakailangan ng criminology or exclusive lang siya sa criminology. Hindi po ganon. Lahat po ng courses pwede po maging certified security professional. Katulad ko, diba? So, ang mangyari lang po, you have to enroll in PSIS kasi sila ang leading security security who offer security education in the Philippines right now. So, yan, sila yung mas leading when it comes to PSIS. And then, before you enroll, you have to submit an application for them to consider credential. Diba? It's under still their discretion to admit you in the program or not. So, ganun po yun. And then, ang ginawa ko kasi nun, that would be, that happened during pandemic, 2020. Am I right? Yeah, 2020. Probably that's July. Under class 572. So, shout out po sa mga classmate ko dyan. Class 572 ng PSIS. Kaya ako, top 1. Top 1. Top 9 po ang inyong lingkod. So, ganito. Even though you're not already on ARCRIM, ARCRIM rather, kahit hindi ka pa ARCRIM, hindi ka pa board passer, okay na yun. Pwede na yun. No? Basta, yun nga, it's on their discretion. And then, the fees is around, like, nung panahon namin 15K, nung panahon pa namin. Pero ngayon, parang, nung after yung pandemic, tumaas daw. Tapos ngayon, nabalita ko medyo bumaba. So, yan, inquire na lang po kayo sa PSIS. And then, yung, namin nun, yung aming klase, it's on 1 month. Yeah, in 1 month, tuloy-tuloy. And then, we have security survey. Ang sinecurity survey namin is yung Midas Hotel. Kung alam niyo yung Midas Hotel sa Pasay. And then, yeah, andun kami, tinignan namin yung security system nila, their CCTVs, their guards, their ID passes, and so on and so forth. And then, gagawa kami ng report about what we observe under their security system. And then, after that, we'll be having a defense. Kaloka, no? May defense pa. And then, yeah, this is one of the requirements to become CSP in the Philippines. And then after, no, kailangan mo ipasa yung defense. And after, meron pang comprehensive exam. It's 200 items. Kailangan mapasa yun. So, the passing is, if I'm not mistaken, that's 80% on that time. And then, kapag hindi ka po nakapasa doon, either the defense or the exam, then, uulit ka po. Hindi ka po kasama din sa graduation, ulit ka ng exam and then the defense. So, defense mo is yung susunod ulit ng class, yung 573, yung dadating, di ba? So, yun lang yung mga ways para maging CSP ka. So, maganda rin naman credential. Lalo sa criminology, napakadami nating dapat aralin eh. Diba? Ang daming certificate, ang daming connected. Like, we have this, CS Certified Criminalistic Specialist, CCS. We have the Certificate of Criminal Profiling. Ang dami. Grabe. So, you better, you better prepared. I don't know what you're going to prepare. It's either money or your brain. Ganon. So, yeah, medyo madali lang naman kung medyo may ganito at may ganito. So, ganun lang naman yan. So, yeah. Follow nyo po ako kung gusto nyo pong malaman yung ibang mga certificates natin in criminology and the Philippines.